Whale shark is the largest fish in the world, and it is estimated that it has been there even before the dinosaurs, like most other marine species. It has survived all these years. However, it came into the light of the scientific community only in 1828, where a large fish was harpooned, and it was so big that the scientist then, one Mr. Smith, called it whale shark. So that's the way the name of whale shark came into the naming part of the shark. So this name has always created a lot of confusion. So many people confuse it. The common man confuses it as a whale or a shark. Also, very little is known about this species, in spite of it being around in the waters for such a long time. Is that it was only, I think it was 1996 only, when they came to know how the whale shark reproduces. There was speculation that it is, lays eggs, or it gives birth to live young pups. But in 1996, when a huge whale shark, pregnant whale shark, was caught off Taiwan, they came to know that it was an ovoviviparous, that it gives birth to live young ones, but it fertilizes its eggs within the body. So that was when the mystery came about. These fishes are basically, even though they have the name tag as shark, they are a very gentle fish. In fact, world over they are called the gentle giants, because they are absolutely indifferent to humans. They are very harmless. There is not a single known incident of a whale shark attacking a human being. In fact, in Australia, before the conservation of the whale shark came into the picture, there used to be divers who actually rode the whale shark like a horse under the water for pleasure. And so you can just imagine how indifferent to humans it is. In other words, you can say that it's kind of dumb fish, that it's so easy for people to hunt the whale shark, and therefore it makes it very vulnerable. Regarding the maturity and reproduction of the whale shark, again, very little is known about it, but they estimate that the whale shark reaches sexual maturity only when it is around 30 years old, or about somewhere around 8 to 9 meters in length is the estimate, but still a lot of questions need to be answered. So in short, if you put it in a nutshell, is that even the scientific community knows very little about this species, and therefore the need to protect the species and to study and understand this gentle giant is the need of the hour. Now, regarding the size, it is estimated that it can grow up to 40 feet long, and it could weigh about 10 to 12 tons. The other thing about the whale shark is that it's a highly migratory species. Some tagged whale sharks have known to have traveled almost 40,000 kilometers. So the migratory behavior, the feeding habits, the breeding habits, it's very rare. In fact, till date there were hardly any juvenile whale sharks found in the world. It still is a mystery as to where are the breeding grounds of the whale shark. So there has been a worldwide effort to collaborate and cooperate on the whale shark scientific work. So the information on this is slowly coming out. So these are all interesting information that is now coming out because of the worldwide cooperation and concerns on this research.